Okay. Well, we broke the eggs, put them in the blender thing. We're going to screw the blender on and put it in the thing. I'll put it on hold. Last time I put it on hold, unfortunately, somehow it came off hold, so I'm going to try it one more time. Hey, this is Cooking with Space, aka Michael Gouldy. This is Cooking on Space, aka Michael Gouldy podcast. And I might put this on Vegan Works, but with Michael Gouldy, but that's mostly just vegan, and I don't know if eggs are vegan or not, so probably not. Anyway, to make it, we just put it in the blender, we turn it a couple times, we put it in the blender, since this is a personal blender, that should be enough, and then we'll throw it on the pan, and see if we can fry these up. I'm hoping it'll turn out good. I'm going to put it on hold for a second more and take it off the blender. Okay. Looks like we added the contents. I didn't blend it really thoroughly. The onion shouldn't be fully blended. The jalapeno shouldn't be fully blended. The eggs are blended, and the other sauce ingredients, potato and other stuff I put into the ingredients, and peppers and other stuff within there too. Anyway, I'm hoping it's going to turn out cool. I did put some coconut oil on it, usually from Trader Joe's, and I'm going to fry this up and then put this in a burrito with some cheese and have it for lunch. And I'm waiting when I'm doing, then I'm going to go back and I'm making some emperor chicken that I have also on Cooking with Space. You can check out. I got the chicken at Solana Catholic Church, and it's frozen. I dethawed it, and I'm gonna add it to my Instant Pot and try to cook it. I'm gonna try to pressure cook it, but last time I tried pressure cook 3 or 4 times, it's failed. So I'm gonna try to slow cook it. It might take 24 hours. I don't know how long it will take. Anyway, so we'll see what's going. Thank you for watching. Click like and subscribe. If you can help the channel through Patreon, that'd be great. If you can help it through PayPal donate, that'd be great. If you want to sell a business or help me anyway. I also have to shout out to Mandy, Handy Mandy RV Repair. She's helping me with my car. I'm trading out services to get my car fixed. She has new content coming out in her YouTube channel, and I'm trying to do some social media for her. Hoping it will turn out. Thank you for watching.